Okay.
Right.
All right. Does anyone have a burning desire to say the prayer?
I'll say it. Our dear Heavenly Father, we are so grateful for this evening and for the opportunity that we have to meet together as a biostats group. And please bless us on our group quiz and the review of the lessons that we've had in this unit, that we might be able to remember the things we have learned and have the Spirit to help us continue learning. And please bless us as we delegate responsibilities for our final PowerPoint presentation, that we can each do our part and do our best, and that we can come out of this class successful and having learned new concepts. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Okay. I haven't even looked at the PowerPoint thing yet. Like,
I don't think it's like too much new work. I think it's basically just like a compilation of like everything we've done but condensed.
Okay.
So
Okay. That's not that bad. I'll take a look at it. Probably I'll get to it. I'm really busy tomorrow. Maybe I'll get to it tomorrow night or either Thursday. That'll probably
yeah,
be
we can work out like Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Let me know when you guys have the quiz open. It's 18 questions. Kind of sucks. That's fine.
Kind of fine. All right.
Yeah.
True linear regression equation is where this and this are unknown. What are the null and alternative hypotheses? Is it equal to or not equal to?
Yeah, I think that third one down.
And it never does greater than or less than, right?
No, not for B1 at least. That's kind of what we learned about this lesson. I have no idea if it changes it for anything else, but.
Oh, I need to.
Is it the third one?
Yeah.
The difference between those something Y value. Okay.
What? I thought that it's none of these.
So I thought too.
I guess maybe normally distributed.
Yeah, probably.
Big, but
because we don't
not
care
a megaphone.
Yeah.
It looks like a megaphone and it shouldn't have a pattern. Right?
Yeah, I think that's right. Hopefully that's right. At least there's like it's multiple choice, so we can go back if we didn't get it right. Okay, and then for the next 8 problems, we're using the math document. Okay, this is, let's see. Use the confidence, I always get confused about this. I hate it. Use the confidence variable as the explanatory variable and the score. I can't remember which one's which now. Oh wait, explanatory is X, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Because X is independent, right? Y depends on X.
Yeah. I'm really bad with this kind of stuff.
The wording just trips me up all the time.
Let's see, that was the score. So it's in the order it came in, right? Because last time it wasn't, apparently. Now they switched it out on us.
So
yeah, it's opposite.
So then is confidence rating X?
Yeah.
I think it's, wait, because it said confident, hold on. I probably
used
it wrong. Right? Use the confidence, yes. Okay, so it is the same as last time. Okay.
The confidence is X?
Yes. My bad, I read that wrong.
No, you're good.
That's good. I do that all the time. It's because, like, they're all in the same line. So
yeah.
read it like fast, and you're like, oh yeah.
Yeah, I have that problem. I just look at the wrong thing and I'm like, oh.
But like what?
Okay. Never put that in. Okay. And then what was it asking? Which statement best describes the residuals? They do not. Well, let's see. Where did it go? It's not a linear pattern, right?
Yeah, there's no pattern.
It looks like they're all within the little range that it said.
That's for it, right? So
What?
Yeah, residual. Oh, are we looking at the data or the graph?
Both.
We're doing a residual graph, though, right? Is that different?
I don't think so.
Wait,
Well, actually, I'll plot it out and we can look.
here, I'll show you my screen. Okay. This is the one graph that they already have for you. And then this is one graph that they told me to do in the textbook. So this is the residual graph.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that doesn't look like it has a pattern, which means that it's linear.
Where'd you get the other one from?
Yeah, how do you...
You highlight columns D and E,
Mm-hmm.
and then you go to the Insert tab, and then you go to where the dots are, where it says Insert Scatter,
Okay.
and then
Oh, so you just made that.
yeah.
Okay. Mine looks really different from yours.
Oh no.
For some odd reason. Let me make sure I highlighted the right things. D and E.
Yeah,
But it's still like doesn't have a pattern. It looks similar to the other one.
yeah, mine looks...
There's just like a lot more points.
Okay, yeah. I think that was from the last data set that I had.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
And mine has negatives too. Yeah, the scale's on a negative scale as well.
yeah. Yeah. Let's delete that other one. I thought that it would automatically.
Okay.
It did not.
Okay, so this is the first one then?
I would say... Let's see my scale. Yeah, that looks about right because mine goes down to -40 and then up to 25 on the y-axis.
Yeah.
So now we do QQ plots.
My favorite thing in the world.
Alexa's favorite.
Wait, what?
The QQ plots.
Oh gosh, kill me. I'm like scarred for life. Based on the QQ plot for these, what can you say about these? Well, does that mean I have to go to the different data set and then put in the residuals and then look at the QQ plot?
Probably. All right. I think where was that? Hold on. It was in the first little Excel thing they gave us that did QQ plots, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we just take the we take the residuals, or do we take both
The residuals.
Just the residuals. Okay.
Descriptive stats?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait.
What the heck? Oh no, it's not letting me paste it over.
I'll try and open it. My computer, I don't know what it is, but with the quantitative descriptive statistics, it takes like 10 minutes to open, so it's loading, but
Does yours work, Alexa? Mine is not letting me copy and paste over. It says something like it's not a valid reference.
Is there a way to create a QQ plot? Didn't it talk about in lesson 23? Is there a way to do it on the page we already have?
Okay.
Maybe I just have no idea how.
Let me look.
I don't know why mine wouldn't let it copy and paste over.
That's really weird.
Oh, my QQ plot. Oh wait, but it still says generation and social.
Okay.
Is it sorted from largest to smallest?
Oh. Oh.
Okay. It's normal.
How do you do that?
Thanks. I don't know why it wouldn't let me copy and paste over.
Over here where it says sort and filter, and then you do.
Oh.
You have things all done, and then you say smallest to largest.
You just copy and pasted yours right from the thing, right? I don't know why mine wouldn't let me. I'm really agitated. Okay. Okay, use the software to create a scatter plot of the data. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? Okay, so for there to be a linear relationship, it just has the slope doesn't, as long as it's not 0, there's a linear relationship,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so let's look at the slope, wherever that is. Okay, not 0.
0.
So there's a linear relationship. See the variance. I don't remember that.
Variance was QQ.
Okay.
No. Variance was the residual, which was good. And then linear relationship was the scatter plot, which looked fine, I think. Normal error was the QQ of the residuals. And I guess we can guess that they're independent and that they're measured without, or they're constant. Linear variance error term.
How do we tell if the observations are independent? Does that just mean if there's no relation?
You can't, it says you can't check it directly,
Uh-huh.
but I guess it's just like safe to assume.
Okay.
I think maybe all of them are met.
Yeah, we can just go for all of that, and if it's wrong, we'll have to go back and see it. Or something. Okay, what is B1, the estimate for this slip?
Do you guys have 12.695?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1. So, in the prep, I don't know. I just had us using the regular confidence interval. Oh, yeah, because that's under B1. Okay, so the bottom one, right?
Uh-huh.
So, do you guys have 10.674?
Yeah.
Is that lower? Okay. And where did it go? Why does it keep disappearing? 14.715 for the upper.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. Based on the evidence and using level of significance, what decision do you make regarding the test for B? Let's see. The T-score is 12, so it's probably going to be a really, really low P.
Yeah.
Yeah. So would we do reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than A?
Yeah.
The p-value is 3.3 to the negative 24.
Okay.
That's very low.
Okay, if we fail, or if we reject the null, that means
there's sufficient evidence.
Not equal to 0. There's sufficient evidence
Yeah.
that the, where is it?
There
It's not 0. So the last one?
There's some chance for this. Yeah.
Next to the crocodile.
Oh.
Ask which one's the dependent variable.
So it says they're using head length to measure body length, right? So it'd be body length would be the dependent.
I'm so bad with this. We'll go with what you say. So when you put it in to the thing, would it be just the way it is on the Excel document, or would it be switched?
Yeah, it'd be the same.
Like the response.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. It says construct a 95% confidence interval for P1. And put your answers for the margin of error, upper bound, lower bound. I'm really bad at
I'm gonna just do the thing that I always do.
Okay, is that, I can't remember now. Is that where you take the upper subtracted by the lower divided by 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I got 0.442.
0.442? Okay, that's what I got.
Both now 7.218.
Yeah. Okay, based on your upper and lower bound from the last 2 problems, what can you say about B1?
We are 95% confident that will take true value.
Alright, I can submit. Okay. Okay, we missed question 8, apparently.
Does it say on that one which ones we got right, or does it just say?
No, it just says 0 at 1 point.
Is that the only one we got wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, we saw that there was a linear relationship. So that one's for sure, yes.
Yeah, I think the first 3 are all right. Like, I'm pretty sure, pretty positive about that because we answered those questions in the last couple questions.
How do we tell if the observations are independent? Does that just mean like there's no correlation? There's no linear relationship if they're independent?
I can't remember.
I think. Actually, I think it's the first 2 and the 4th one. Because knowing if the variances are constant, it can't be checked correctly.
Okay, do you want to try that?
Yeah, let's try that. I mean, not the first 2. The first one and then the 3rd and 4th is what I meant.
So which ones?
The first one and the 3rd and 4th.
Okay.
Try and turn that in right.
Oh no, okay. So we know that 1 is right and 5 is wrong. The last one's wrong, and I mean, I would think the third one will be right too. Are the x values measured without error?
Because x values measured without error is the QQ plot of the residual.
Okay.
So that's why I'm confused, because because it's talking directly about scatter plot, residual plots, and QQ plots. So based on scatter plot, linear relationship. QQ plot, normal error term.
Mm-hmm.
And residual is the variance. Constant.
I can submit for the first 4 if you think those are right.
Can try that.
Oh wait, I think I did it wrong. I meant to say it was the first one, second one, and the third one. I don't think it's the fourth one, because we don't know.
Yeah, so just the first 3.
Yeah, first 3.
Want me to submit with the first 3?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
I swear if we get this wrong.
You got it right. It's right. It's right.
Okay, yay.
Yay.
All right.
Since the product of the page numbers of 2 facing pages of a book is 210, right? Find the page.
Who wants to read the answers?
Oh, I can do that.
No thanks.
Give me 1 second.
210, and the product of 2
Oh, the
numbers.
quiz page.
No, it's something times
Yeah.
something, but I don't know what something times something is.
Where is it? Come on. Lesson 23 group meeting quiz.
Okay, this page is,
Yeah.
how would you find the page?
Okay, hold on. Sorry, give me 1 second. I have to submit my. Shoot, I don't know if it'll let me see it
Like,
until I submit the quizzes I'm working on. Give me 1 second, you guys.
it's facing.
I have it up, well, except for the last one, but that was just the first 3, right? No, they agreed.
Yes.
Okay. So I didn't start anything. Oh, mental. Okay. So for question 3, it's the third one. Question 4, actually, I'm just going to submit this and make sure I did it right. And then I'll tell you. Because sometimes I put here we go. Question 3 is the third one. Question 4 is the third one. Question 5 is the first. The residuals look normally distributed. Question 6 is the residuals are between -40 and 25. Question 7 is the residuals are clearly normal. Question 8 is the first 3. Question 9 is 1, 2.695. And then number 10 is 10.674. Number 11 is 14.715. 12 is reject the null test because the p-value is less than alpha. That's the third one down. 13 is the fourth one down. There's sufficient evidence to conclude the slope of the regression line is not 0. Question 14 is body length, the second one. Question 15 is 0.442.
What?
Question 16 is 0.442.
That's it. 8.442.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then, well, I put 0.442. But then question 16 is 7.218. Question, or did I say 16? 16 is 7.218. 17 is 8.103. And then 18 is we are 95% confident that the confidence interval will contain the true value of P1. Hopefully I read all those right. All right, I'm going to stop the broadcast.